Hey there, future software testing rock stars. Today, I've got something exciting and powerful to share with you, the magic of boundary point analysis in software testing. Imagine being the detective of the software world, finding the exact edges where things get interesting. That's what boundary point analysis is all about. It's like setting up the boundaries of a playground, and then pushing every swing and slide to its limits. Stage 1. Understanding the boundaries. Let's dive into an example to understand this better. Imagine you're testing a temperature conversion app. You know it converts Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now, the lower boundary could be absolute zero, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, dash the point where nothing can get colder. The upper boundary might be the boiling point of a diamond, 4,200 degrees Celsius, dash insanely hot. These are your boundaries. Stage 2. Finding the edge cases. Now, let's explore some edge cases within these boundaries. Picture this, someone enters minus 270 degrees Celsius. That's near absolute zero. Will your app gracefully handle this icy challenge? On the flip side, if someone tries 5,000 degrees Celsius, you're approaching the sun's surface temperature. Can your app handle this fiery situation? Stage 3. Pushing the limits. Hold on to your hats, because here comes the fun part. We're going to push the limits of your software. How about testing minus 273.16 degrees Celsius? It's just a smidge below absolute zero. Can your app resist the chill? And what about 4,500 degrees Celsius? That's even hotter than a lightning bolt. Stage 4. Observing behaviors. As we dance on the edge, we'll observe how your software reacts. Does it gracefully handle the challenge, or does it trip and fall? This is where we learn about its strengths and weaknesses. If your app starts giving you nonsensical Fahrenheit values for these extreme Celsius inputs, we've got ourselves an issue. Stage 5. Precise data validation. But hey, we're not just throwing random values around. We're going in with a plan. We'll be precise, validating data at the exact boundary points. For instance, let's test minus 273.15 degrees Celsius and 4,200 degrees Celsius. We're checking if your app remains accurate and reliable even at these icy and scorching extremes. Stage 6. Unveiling the bugs. And guess what? Our boundary point analysis is like turning on the spotlight. We're shining it on those hidden bugs that usually love to play hide and seek. It's time for them to come out. If your app suddenly crashes or freezes when you input minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, you've just found a pesky bug. So, my fellow testers, get ready to become boundary point masters. By mastering this technique, you'll uncover vulnerabilities that others might miss. You'll be the quality gatekeeper of software, ensuring it can handle anything that comes its way. Don't miss out on this journey to becoming a boundary point analysis ninja. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive deep into the world of software testing together. Stay curious and keep pushing those boundaries.